Your choice of a material supplier can be the difference between smooth sailing and turbulent times. Well, stay tuned as I reveal the 5 non-negotiable traits of a top tier aircraft material partner. And if you find these traits in somebody, it will not only help you improve your operation, but it will make your procurement, aircraft maintenance, material, and supply chain life so much easier. Let's get started. First, a rock solid partner never compromises on quality. They just don't. They constantly deliver components that don't just meet, but exceed industry standards. Why? Because when it comes to aviation safety, good enough simply doesn't cut it. Our obsession with quality borders on OCD. Every part undergoes an ultra stringent incoming and outgoing inspection process to guarantee unmatched reliability. And if there's ever an issue, we solve it. Next up, delivery precision. In the aviation game, every second counts. A true partner doesn't just hit deadlines. They anticipate your needs and proactively help you prevent delays. They work with you. Obviously, not every problem can be solved, but they look at why is this delayed? And how can we avoid that in the future? They help you better plan your material needs. And they also help themselves better plan their material needs for you. It's a win-win. The third trait is proactive communication. Great partnerships are built on a foundation of communication and responsiveness, but transparency. Your material provider should keep you in the loop with regular updates and forthright discussions about potential hurdles. At Skylink, we don't just react, we proact. Our team is always thinking 2 steps ahead, keeping you informed and prepared for anything. It's one of our goals to give you updates before you even have to ask for them. Trait number 4 is predictive problem solving. There's a theme here about accepting problems and solving them, because in this industry, there seems to always be a problem, but just making that the excuse isn't good enough. We have to solve the problems. A standout partner doesn't just put out fires. They stop them from starting. By leveraging cutting edge analytics and deep industry know-how, they can spot issues from miles away. That's the Skylink way. We combine big data with bigger brains to nip problems in the bud and keep your operations running like clockwork. It's why one of our core operating values is accept problems and then solving them. Finally, industry expertise. Your material partner should have a deep understanding of aviation standards, regulations, and specific requirements to provide the best materials and advice. It's not just about selling parts. It's about understanding the material. It's about understanding the industry's entire supply and demand trends. It's about understanding unique aircraft maintenance operations. It's about understanding geopolitical issues and trends. It's about understanding import and export regulations and tips and tricks. And it's about understanding a lot. So it's not just about selling parts. It's about having deep business and industry acumen so they can help you make the right decisions. Choosing the right aircraft material partner is vital for maintaining operational excellence and safety. Evaluate your current partners against these 5 traits. If they fall short, it might be time to consider a switch. For a partner that truly understands your needs, consider Skylink. We're committed to providing exceptional quality, reliable delivery, and transparent communication, all wrapped up in the proactive solutions and unmatched. Don't just settle for Supplier. Upgrade to a true material partner. Visit SkylinkINTL.com today and let's keep your operations flying high together. And while you're at it, smash that like button, share this video with your colleagues, and subscribe for more game-changing insights into improving your aircraft maintenance material operations game. And until next time, stay safe and soar on.